Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we are going to unbox a brand new sport watch. This is LEMFO M1. It's a GPS sport watch. This is some of the futuristic this smartwatch has. It's GPS, multi-motion, barometer, dynamic HR, call, notification, compass, pedometer, sleep tracking, alarm, weather, guest control. The app of this smartwatch supports iOS 8.0 and Android 4.4. Let's take a look at the watch. So in the box it's including the smartwatch, the charger, using manual, tweezers, and a screwdriver. So this is the M1. This smartwatch has a rubber bands. In the bottom we have the charging port and the sensors. So here in the bottom we can see we have to release it, and now we can see the SIM card port. Now we are going to put it back. Easy as that. So this watch has a fiberglass silicone bands. It weighs 56 grams. It has a 1.3-inch screen, touch screen, and a lithium battery, 320 milliamp hours. This watch supports compass, pressure sensors, geomagnetic, gyroscope, loudspeaker, BT version with 3.0 or 4.0. It has a memory for 168 megabytes. It has a SIM card, water resistant, and a magnetic charger. So it has a 6 different watch face, and some of the specification it counts or calorie burn, automatic activity records, steps, distance, running, etc., GPS, dynamic HR monitoring, automatic sleeping monitoring, call message reminder, text push, social media, camera control, music control, mic, speaker, Bluetooth music, anti-lost, real-time weather, vibrating alarm, wrist sensor, and some of the language is English, French, German, Spanish, Portuguese, etc. This watch comes in 3 different colors, in black, blue, and red. This is the black version. So if we swipe from the left, it's gonna show the sport mode. We have different sport here, like indoor running, outdoor running, riding, climbing, marathon, and record. So we go back. From the up is the toolbar, Bluetooth, vibration settings, and the other stuff. We have brightness, airplane mode. From the bottom we don't have a motion, so we go back. From the right we have the menu. This is the menu. We have message, context, pedometer, heart rate, Bluetooth, sedentary, alarm, music play, remote capture, find our phone, motion, settings, QR code, sport mode. So sport mode we can go from menu or from the left side. We have time, stopwatch, calculator, theme, notification, dial hour, call logs. So these are some of the function. So in the user manual it's gonna tell us how to go to sport mode. So sport mode, you just swipe left and it's gonna show us a sport mode. So M1 smartwatch support different kinds of sport, including indoor running, outdoor running, riding, climbing, marathon, and more. You can activate with this button. Wear the watch in the right way. Open the heart rate function on the watch, measure it by manually. So this is the heart measuring. So if you have sport mode on, you can activate your calls just by Bluetooth, or you can insert the SIM card like I showed you, and this device have a 3.0 Bluetooth. So for making calls, so with Bluetooth 3.0, the voice is came out from the watch by default. You can switch the phone to answer or dial by below method. Turn off the Bluetooth 3.0 on the quick setting page. Switch the sound by speaker or phone on the mobile. To switch between your watch and your phone during phone calls, perform the operation. On the call screen of your phone, select Bluetooth to use your watch for the call, or select your speaker. Now to activate the pedometer, you have to slide the home page you can check the steps, heart rate, calorie and distance of the current day. And you can check the heart rate from the main menu. So this is the pedometer. In this watch we have some of the shortcuts like heart rate, barometric pressure and compass. Sleep monitor. Sleep monitor. The watch will track your sleep when you're wearing it sleeping. So in the sleep mode, after you connect your phone with your device, then you can watch, you can check your sleep details in your app. Remote capture is one of the features this smartwatch have. This feature can remote control the mobile camera to take pictures. Sedentary is one of the features. Sitting too long is not good for you, so you can set your time to remind you to stand up. You can set your time in your watch or from your phone. The alarm you can set from your watch or your phone as well, so you can set maximum 8 alarms. This smartwatch have find your phone. You can find your phone from the watch or find the device from the app. Some of the motion this smartwatch has is flip to mute incoming calls, flip to mute alarm, wake up gesture, shake switch main menu, shake to answer calls. The tools or timer, stopwatch, calculator, weather, calendar. Now, for example, if you go to theme, we can change from theme 1 to theme 2. Or theme 3. Notification, but it's not connected. For phone calls, message, we have contacts, pedometer, heart rate. So as we told you, you can activate with this button or in the menu. We have Bluetooth, sedentary, alarm, music playlist. So it's gonna show our music playlist from our phone. Remote capture is gonna activate when we connect our phone, find our phone, motion, we can change them. If we go to settings, we have plenty of settings like BT power, visibility and remote control. We have clock, data and time, we can change them. We have sound. We can change our alert type, ringtone and notification tone. We have volume, We have display for brightness and screen timeout, and we have the reset to reset the. We have QR code to scan. Sport mode, we can activate from menu or from the left side. We have timer, we have stopwatch, we have calculator. Very useful. So these are all the function of the M1 LEMFO. So for the next video we are going to show you how to connect your smartwatch with your phone and how the app is work, all the function of the app and the configuration with your smartwatch. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe our channel and turn the notification on.